Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has incredible health benefits. Its acidic taste, however, can be overwhelming. You don't have to drink it straight to enjoy its benefits. ACV contains raw enzymes and promotes healthy gut bacteria. If the taste bothers you, there are alternatives. Use ACV instead of regular vinegar for pickling vegetables. Pair it with olive oil for a tangy salad dressing. Dilute it in water or add it to tea before bedtime. This simple drink can boost your health in many ways. Here are 9 ways ACV can improve your health before bed. 1. Fight bad breath, halitosis. Morning breath is often caused by bacteria in your mouth. Mix 1 tablespoon of ACV with 8 ounces of water. Add a touch of lemon for extra freshness. Drink this before bed to keep bacteria in check. 2. Lower blood sugar. Blood sugar spikes can disrupt your sleep. ACV helps improve insulin sensitivity and lower sugar levels. Mix 2 teaspoons of ACV with water before going to bed. If you're on diabetes medication, consult your doctor first. 3. Ease hiccups. ACV's strong flavor calms throat nerves causing hiccups. Drink 1 teaspoon of undiluted ACV for quick relief. 4. Clear sinuses, seasonal allergies, or congestion can block your nose. ACV's B vitamins, potassium, and magnesium loosen mucus. It helps clear your sinuses for easier breathing. 5. Support weight loss. Poor sleep is linked to weight gain. ACV stops your body from turning starches into calories. It also reduces your appetite with its pectin content. Drink ACV tea before bed to feel satisfied and sleep better. 6. Relieve acid reflux. Low stomach acid can cause acid reflux. ACV helps restore stomach acidity and balance your gut. Mix 1 tablespoon of ACV with a glass of water. Drink it an hour before going to bed. 7. Soothe sore throat. ACV's antibacterial properties kill throat bacteria. Take 1 teaspoon of ACV every 30 minutes before bed. This helps reduce throat discomfort and promotes healing. 8. Calm restless legs. Leg cramps or restless legs often signal low potassium. Add 2 tablespoons of ACV to 8 ounces of water. This quick fix boosts potassium levels and eases discomfort. 9. Settle an upset stomach. ACV restores the pH balance in your digestive system. It reduces gas, bloating, and stomach cramps. Mix 1 teaspoon of ACV with warm water for quick relief. Did you enjoy the video? Give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and recipes.